the class. So in the previous video we had seen regarding definition of Alzheimer's disease as well as the causes of Alzheimer's disease. So in this video we'll see about the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. तो हम लोगों ने पिछले क्लास में पढ़ा था, पिछले वीडियो में मैंने बोला था, मतलब डेफिनेशन बोला था और कॉजेज़ के बारे में बोला था, और इस वीडियो में हम लोग सिम्टम्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. तो सिम्टम्स क्या हो सकता है? तो एक्चुअली सिम्टम्स इट इज़ यूजुअली डिवाइडेड लाइक दे आर गिवन इन द 3 different stages. Okay, it is usually given into 3 different stages: mild, moderate and severe. So symptoms are usually given in 3 different stages: mild, moderate and severe. So mild Alzheimer's disease is usually known as forgetful stage, where it will last for 2 to 4 years. Okay, it will be present for 2 to 4 years. And then moderate it is usually called as confusional stage. Okay, it is usually called as confusional stage. So this will be present for 2 to 10 years. Okay, it will be present for 2 to 10 years. And next is severe stage will be there present for lifelong, and it is usually the last stage. Okay, it is usually the last stage and it will be present till death. Okay, it will be present till death. So symptoms में जब हम लोग देखा जाए तो हम लोग ये देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे मतलब ये जो symptoms होता है ये 3 different stages में दिया गया है. ये 3 different stages में दिया गया है, जैसे कि 3 स्टेज में दिया है: माइल्ड, मॉडरेट और सिवियर. सो माइल्ड, मॉडरेट और सिवियर में माइल्ड, मॉडरेट एंड सिवियर. सो माइल्ड स्टेज में वो होता है जो होता है मतलब फॉरगेटफुल स्टेज होता है, जहाँ पे ये रहेगा 2 से 4 साल तक. और मॉडरेट स्टेज में यह होता है ये कन्फ्यूजनल स्टेज होता है, जहाँ पे ये रहेगा 2 से 10 साल तक, 2 से 10 साल तक. और जो लास्ट स्टेज है, सिवियर स्टेज है, मतलब ये लास्ट स्टेज है जो रहेगा मतलब बंदे में उसके डेथ तक. ओके, उसकी मौत तक ये स्टेज रहेगा ही, उसकी मौत तक ये स्टेज रहेगा ही. सो दैट इज़ यूजुअली अबाउट दिस stages of this Alzheimer's disease, which is usually describes the clinical symptoms of the Alzheimer's disease. So this is mainly divided into mild, moderate and severe. तो ये होता है mild, moderate और severe जो symptoms दिखाई देगा, symptoms बताएगा Alzheimer's disease का. मतलब ये 3 stages में डिवाइड: mild, moderate और severe. तो हम लोग एक एक करके यहाँ पे देखते हैं कि इसका symptoms क्या हो सकता है. So we'll see one by one what are the symptoms that they will be having. So mild stage, okay, that is stage 1. Okay, so it is stage 1. So duration, it is I have told you like 2 to 4 years or 1 to 3 years. Okay, it might be 2 to 4 years or 1 to 3 years. So what are the symptoms that can be seen in this is that they will be having mild memory impairment. Okay, they will be having mild memory impairment, and also they will not be able to learn new things. Okay, they will not be able to learn new things. Then their remote memory will not be recalled. Okay, the remote memory will not be recalled. So like some naming errors. Okay, they'll be making some naming errors. Exactly, they'll not be knowing what is the name of that thing. So that is usually about this. So that is remote memory will not be recalled. So that is there. And also their personality changes. Okay, also their personality changes. They'll be always in delusion or sadness. Okay, they'll be always in delusion or they'll be always sad. And also they will not be able to generate words properly. Okay, they will not be able to generate words properly. Like if you tell them a list of words to them, they will not be able to list out the words properly. Okay, they will not be able to list out the words properly. So these are the symptoms that is seen in case of stage 1. Okay, this is the symptoms that is usually seen in case of stage 1. So stage 1 can be about like 1 to 3 years or 2 to 4 years. And this is the symptoms. It is usually they'll be having mild memory impairment. Okay, they'll be having mild memory impairment. Then they'll be remote memory will not be recalled properly. Then they'll be having personality changes. They'll be always sad. Delusion will be there, and also they'll not be able to make words properly, and also they'll not be able to learn new things. Okay, they'll not be able to learn new things. So this is usually seen in case of stage 1. तो यहाँ पे स्टेज 1 में क्या हो सकता है, मतलब ये 1 से 3 साल तक रहेगा. तो यहाँ पे क्या क्या हो सकता है, मतलब उनका जो मेमोरी होता है ना वो इम्पेयर मतलब प्रॉब्लम होगा, थोड़ा मतलब माइल्ड होगा, इतना ज़्यादा भी नहीं होगा, थोड़ा कम होगा. और उसके बाद अगर उनको नई चीज़ें देंगे हम लोग सीखने के लिए, वो तो लोग सीख नहीं पाएंगे. और उनको रिमोट मेमोरी होता है ना, वो रिमोट मेमोरी जो होता है वो उनको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा याद नहीं रहता. जैसे कि छोटे छोटे नाम अगर पूछेंगे उन लोगों को, वो झट से याद नहीं रहता उन लोगों को, और वो हमेशा दुखी रहते हैं, डिल्यूशन होता है उन लोगों को, और उनका पर्सनालिटी भी चेंजेस होता ही है. अगर उन लोगों को नए अक्षर बनाने के लिए बोलेंगे, नए शब्द बनाने के लिए बोलेंगे, तो वो लोग भी वो कर नहीं पाएंगे, वो कर नहीं पाएंगे. सो दैट इज स्टेज 1 symptoms. So next is stage 2 symptoms. So stage 2 symptoms is severe. It is the moderate stage. It is usually the moderate stage, जहाँ पे what are the things that you can see is that they will be having moderate memory impairment, recent memory as well as remote memory they will not be able to recall. Moderate memory impairment will be there. Recent and remote memory they will not be able to recall. Then they will be having disorientation. Okay, they will be having disoriented. They will be disoriented to everything. Okay, they will be disoriented to everything, as well as they will be having aphasia. Aphasia, it is nothing but language problem. They will not be able to communicate properly. So So they'll be having aphasia, that is they'll not be able to communicate properly. Personality will become irritable. Okay, personality will become irritable. Then the sleeping pattern also changes. Okay, the sleeping pattern also will be changes. They'll be waking up soon. They'll not be sleeping. They'll be waking up. In between you can see that they might walk during sleep also. Okay, they'll walk during sleep also. And delusion will also be there in this. Mood changes occurs in this, and also they'll be having hallucination. Okay, they'll be having hallucination. And one important thing is that they'll having idiomotor apraxia. Okay, they'll be having idiomotor apraxia, that is they'll not be able to identify, or they'll be facing difficulty in their daily activities. Okay, they'll be facing difficulty in their daily activities, like they'll be facing difficulty to dress up, to comb. So all this thing they'll be facing difficulty. So that is usually about the stage 2 symptoms. So stage 2 symptoms, they'll be having moderate memory impairment. Then remote and recent memory they'll not be able to recall, and then usually they'll be having delusion, hallucination, aphasia will be there, and they'll be having idiomotor apraxia, that is they'll be having difficulty in their daily activities like dressing, combing, and also they'll be having sleep disturbances. In between they might walk in the night also, and also they'll be having disorientation. Okay, and also they'll be having disorientation. Their personality will become irritable. Okay, their personality will become irritable. So that is usually about the symptoms of stage 2. सो हम लोग यहाँ पे स्टेज 1 देखा, अब लोग हम देखते हैं स्टेज 2 में क्या क्या हो सकता है. मेमोरी इम्प्रूवमेंट रहेगा ही, मतलब पहले वाले में मैंने बोला था कम होगा, इसमें थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होगा, जो पहले वाले से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होगा. और यहाँ पे रीसेंट मेमोरी वो लोग याद नहीं करेंगे. रिमोट मेमोरी तो ऑलरेडी है उन लोगों को जो याद नहीं रहता है, तो इसमें रीसेंट मेमोरी भी ऐड हो गया जो उनको याद नहीं रहता है. उसके बाद उन लोगों को ना अफेसिया होगा. अफेसिया वो होता है जहाँ पे वो लोग बात नहीं कर पाएंगे, उनको लैंग्वेज प्रॉब्लम होगा, जिसकी वजह से वो लोग कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पाएंगे. क्योंकि अगर लैंग्वेज वो होगा तो उनको मतलब वो सेंटेंस बना नहीं पाएंगे, वो लोग कुछ भूल जाएंगे वो लोग. सो दैट इज अफेसिया होगा. उनका जो पर्सनालिटी होता है ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा इरिटेबल हो जाता है. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इरिटेबल हो जाता है. और उनको ना सोने की आदत में भी बदलाव होगा. उनका सोने की आदत में भी बदलाव होगा. जहाँ पे वो लोगों को सोना है तो वो लोग चलते रहेंगे आधी रात में चलते रहेंगे. सो दैट वो भी हो सकता है उन लोगों को. और इसके अलावा उन लोगों को इडियोमोटर एप्रेक्सिया होगा. इडियोमोटर एप्रेक्सिया वो होता है जहाँ पे वो लोगों को ना मतलब उनको डिफ़िकल्टी होगी अपनी जो डेली एक्टिविटीज़ होती है ना, जो लोग डेली करते रहते हैं, जो दिन की उनकी जो होता है रूटीन होता है उसमें होगा. जैसे कि वो लोग खुद से ड्रेस नहीं कर पाएंगे, वो लोग सीधे से कूम नहीं कर पाएंगे, कंघी भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो ये जो होगा ये प्रॉब्लम होता है ये उनको. और इसके अलावा उनको जो पिछले में था डिल्यूशन होता है, ये कंटिन्यू मूड चेंजेस भी होता है इसमें, और हैलुसिनेशन भी होता है. सो दिस इज़ यूजुअली अबाउट दी, ये होता है सिम्टम जो हम लोगों को मतलब उस बंदे में दिखाई देगा जब वो लोग स्टेज 2 में होगी. तो लास्ट हो गया स्टेज 3 जो बहुत ही सीवियर होता है. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो सकता है, लास्ट is stage 3, here it is usually severe stage. So what are the things that you can see is that the memory will be completely impaired. Okay, the memory will be completely impaired. Then they'll be having limb rigidity. Okay, they'll be having limb rigidity, and the posture flexion will not be able to do. They'll not maintain proper posture. Okay, they'll not be able to maintain proper posture. Urinary and fecal incontinence will be there. Okay, urinary and fecal incontinence will be there. And then they'll be irritating soon. Their personality will become more irritating. Okay, their personality will become more irritating. They'll be having other problems, like they'll be having difficulty to swallow, weight loss will be there, and also they'll be having loss of appetite. Okay, weight loss will be there. They'll be having loss of appetite. They'll not be able to move. Okay, they'll be having difficulty to move also. Even from one place to other place they'll not be able to move. So that is usually there. And also they'll be having high risk, like they're more susceptible to get infection. Okay, they are more susceptible to get infection. And also they'll be having complete loss of memory. That is short term memory loss also will be there, long term memory loss also will be there. So there'll be complete loss of memory. And also there'll be unresponsiveness, or they'll be in the stage of coma. Okay, there'll be unresponsiveness, or they'll be in the stage of coma. So these are the symptoms that is usually seen in case of stage 3. So what are the symptoms that is usually seen in the stage 3? It is mainly like they'll be having urinary incontinence, fecal incontinence, memory will be completely impaired, and also they'll be having like unresponsive coma. They'll not be able to walk properly, that is they'll not be able to move from place to place. They'll be having limb rigidity, posture failure will be there. And also they'll be having complete loss of memory, that is short term and long term memory loss will be there. They'll be having difficulty to swallow, loss of appetite will be there and weight loss also will be there. So these are the symptoms that is seen in case of stage 3. So symptoms क्या क्या हो सकता है, मतलब वो बंदे में जो completely, इससे पहले मैंने बोलता कि माइल्ड होगा, मॉडरेट होगा, यहाँ पे completely मेमोरी इम्पेयरमेंट होगा, उनका लिम्ब रिजिडिटी होगा, मतलब उनका लिम्ब में प्रॉब्लम होगा, उनका यूरिन इनकॉन्टिनेंस होगा, फीकल इनकॉन्टिनेंस होगा, वो लोग निगलने में भी तकलीफ होगी, उन लोगों को खा नहीं पाएंगे सीधे से, जिसकी वजह से मतलब लॉस ऑफ एपेटाइट होता है जिसकी वजह से वो खा नहीं पाते हैं और वहाँ पे वेट लॉस हो सकता है उन लोगों को। और इसके अलावा जो कंप्लीट मेमोरी लॉस होगा, मतलब वो शॉर्ट टर्म भी याद नहीं रख पाएंगे, लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी भी उन लोगों को कुछ भी याद नहीं रहेगा, तो वो होगा। और उसके अलावा उन लोगों को ना जो पैटर्न होता है उनका मूवमेंट में वो प्रॉब्लम होगा, मतलब एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस तक वो लोग नहीं जा सकते उसमें। और एक और है ना, वो लोग अनरिस्पॉन्सिव हो जाएंगे या कोमा में चले जाएंगे। सो दिस आर यूजुअली द सिम्टम्स ऑफ Alzheimer's disease, which is mainly divided into three stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3, that is mild, moderate and severe. Mild, it is forgetfulness stage, which will be there for 2 to 4 years. Moderate, it is confusional stage, which will be there for 2 to 10 years, and severe, it will be present till death. So in this video we have seen regarding symptoms, so remaining we'll see in the next video.